Need to reschedule your NBN installation? This is a step-by-step guide on how to reschedule your NBN installation to a new date. First, go to tpg.com.au/install. Type in your TPG username and press enter. Click the red Reschedule Appointment button. Enter your billing postcode and hit Submit. Select your new appointment and click Reschedule Appointment to confirm. A confirmation will be displayed immediately on screen. We will also send you an email and SMS to confirm. For helpful guides and support, visit TPG Community at community.tpg.com.au.